A very warm welcome to my dear students. I hope everybody safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. Dear students, in previous video we have discussed about the fifth chapter, that is HCF and LCM. In this HCF and LCM we have discussed about the first HCF. Is it what the HCF tells? Yes, very good. HCF means it is a highest common factor. Okay. Then in that HCF we have discussed on three types of methods. Those are, first is inspection method, second is that is HCF by finding multiples. Okay, means the HCF by finding common factors. Okay, these are the three methods we have learned in the previous video. So in today's class, let us discuss about the least common multiple. Least common multiples, it stands for LCM. Okay, it stands for LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So again, same way we have to follow how we have followed in the HCF. Three methods. Here also the same three methods are repeated, but here we want to find an least common multiple. Means in the HCF we are going to find an highest number, and here in the LCM we will find an smallest number. Okay, only this is the difference between HCF and LCM. Then in a method, first inspection method. What the inspection method tells, we have discussed already in the previous video. Is it what we are discussing about an HCF? Inspection method means multiplication tables. Is it? Inspection method means multiplication tables. So here in the inspection tables, start with the help with the table of a biggest number, begin checking with its first multiple. Okay, see, once again I will write this. Start with the table of the bigger number, begin checking with its first multiple. So here they are going to give question like this, that is they have given in your exercise. Okay, in an exercise 5.2, find the LCM of the numbers by inspection method. Okay, find the LCM by the numbers or by inspection method. Means you want to find an least common multiple in these two tables, in 9 table and 12 table. What the least common multiple you will find. Okay, that you want to write. Here before starting this, you have to know for which table we want to start here. Solution: 12 is the biggest number. Is it? In this 9 and 12, which is the biggest number? 12 is the biggest number. So first we have to write that 12 is the biggest number. Start reading the table of 12. Okay, in this way you have to read 12 is the biggest number. Okay, in this two 12 is the biggest number, so I have written here 12. 12 is the biggest number. Start reading the table of 12. Now in 12 table we want to see which is the least common multiple. Means you write down the 12 table in your rough notebook in the right side. Okay, right side you want to make your rough work. Okay, you have to keep one line. Okay, then you want to do an rough work in your notebook itself in a right side. Okay, then what the product, what the answers you are going to get there, you have to note down in your left side part. So here if you write an 12 table, you will see that is 36. Okay, why you will see 36 itself? See here I have given 12 table. In this 12 table 36 is found. Next again in that 9 table also we will see 36. Is it? In both table 36 is present. So it is the least common multiple. It is the smallest common multiple we will find in a table of 12 and 9. First we have to find out which is the biggest number. Then we want to start reading the table of that number. Okay, see now here 12 is the bigger number, is it? So I have given here this 12 table. Next after this there is a 9 table. Okay, in that 9 table you are going to find a 36. Okay, 9 how much are 36? 9 4s are 36. Then 12 how much are 36? 12 3s are 36. So in both table 36 is present. So now what we have to write? Therefore 36. Okay, therefore 36 is the smallest multiple that comes under the table of 9 and 12. Okay, 36 is the smallest multiple. Okay, this is the smallest multiple. Then this that comes under which table? It comes under a table 9 and 12. Comes under a tables of 9 and 12. Okay, in this way you want to find the answers. Okay, this is what first example. Okay, this is the question from your exercise itself. So in this way you want to follow all the types of problems. Okay, first main they have given in a 5.2. Okay, 5.2 A main they are given 3 problems. Okay, I have taken one problem and one more problem I have taken here. This is, see here they have given only 2 numbers, but here they have given 3 numbers. Now how to find? Here is also an same way. Okay, here is also an same way we have to follow. In these 3 numbers, which is the greatest number, which is the biggest number that we want to check? Here 9 it is the smallest, 18 is smallest, then here 24 is the biggest number. Is it? So if 24 is the biggest number, what we have to do? Here first you have to write how we have followed here, same way you have to follow for this also. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, how if you know one problem perfectly means you can solve similar way all kinds of problems. Okay, so you have to understand the problem well. Now 24 is the biggest number, right? Yes, 24 is the biggest number. Now start reading the table 24. Is it 24 is the biggest number? So we have to read the table of 24. Now here you can see 23 table I have given. In this 23 table that you can see 24 threes are. Okay, in this 24 table 24 threes are how much? 24 threes are you will get 72. Okay, you will get 72. Then in 18 how much is 72? See there, check in our 18 table. 18 how much is 72? You will get 18 fours are. Okay, 18 fours are 72 you will get. Then in the same way 9 how much are 72? See in a 9 table 9 how much is 72? 9 sevens are, okay, 9 eights are 72. So 9 8 is 72. So in the 3 table also we will find an least common multiple, that is 72. So I have taken here first itself 72. Okay. So first you note down the tables all. Okay. After noting down all the tables up to 10, then you want to check which is the least common multiple. Okay. Then that is itself your answer. Then here therefore 72. Okay, 72 is the smallest number that comes under a table of 9 and 12. In this way you have to find the solutions for a given numbers. So this is the Questions I have taken from your exercise 5.2. Okay, 5.2 A main. First and second question. Sorry, I have taken second and third question. First question you itself have to solve. Okay, it is not also same. How I have followed here, same way you follow for that also. Then you can get an answer. Okay, what I am telling you that you must and should have to do work. Then itself you can get my point. What I am telling, what I am explaining you. Okay, then itself you are going to be understand the concept well. Okay. Next we will move on to the one more method. Now first method is completed. Our inspection method is completed. So second method is LCM by finding multiples. Okay, LCM by finding multiples. Now here also same way. Here also what they are going to give, they will give a number like this. Find the LCM of 4, 12, 18 by finding multiples. Okay, the question will arise like this. Okay, once I will repeat that. Find the LCM of 4, 12, 18 by finding multiples. In this way the question will arise. Then how to solve that problems? That is, first you have to write the table of 4. Multiples means we want to write the multiples of a given number, means tables. 4 ones are, 12 ones are, 18 ones are. Okay, what the numbers they are going to give, that table we want to write. Okay, see here. First I will write 4 ones are. Okay, you also note down in your rough notebook. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 30. See here. Now we want to write the table of 4. Let us write. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, up to 40 is enough. Next we will see in a 12 table. Okay, 12 table. Now we have to write down. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Okay, this is a 12 table. Now 18 table. Now you have to write down 18 ones are table. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144, 18 nines are 162, 18 tens are 180. Okay, this completes. Next, what we have to do here, we want to check which is the least common multiple. Okay, now we have to check which is the least common multiple. See here in this, which number is comes in all the tables, which number is arised in all tables, that we have to check. See here 4 is not arised here, and here is also no. 8 no. Then 12, okay, 12 is here and 12 is here, but 12 is not present in 18 table. So next 16 is not present at 12 table, and in 18 table is also not present. Then 20 also not present. Then 24 is also no. Then 28 no. Then 32 also not present here. Then 36, see here is a 36, and 12 table also you get 36, and then 18 table also you got 36. Now this is the least common multiple. Okay, in this least common multiple is, therefore LCM is equal to 36. Okay, in this way you have to find the multiples. Okay, this is a method 2. Here they have given 3 problems in your exercise. So you want to solve remaining 2 problems. I have solved 1 problem here, that is first problem itself I have taken. Then remaining 2 and 3 you solve the same way by following these steps. Okay, here is it is a very easy problem, is it? But you want to know and tables well. If you know tables well, each and every problem is very easy to solve. Okay, so I hope everyone are learning tables daily. Okay, one who have didn't started, you start from now itself. Okay, then this completes an LCM by finding multiples, method 2. Next, in a method 3 we will see an LCM by prime factorization method. Dear students, now let us discuss about the LCM by prime factorization method. Here in this prime factorization, this scenes from the 4th chapter we are discussing prime factorization method, is it? In a 4th chapter we have discussed prime factorization, then factors. Then here also in our HCF we have discussed prime factorization. Again now we are discussing prime factorization. So you want to be very well know about the prime factorization because it is a very important to you. So you have to be know very well. Now we want to see by LCM by prime factorization method. This is a method 3. Okay, this is a method 3 in a LCM. So for example here they are going to give problems like this. So to find the prime factorization of each of the given numbers, the product of the common factors and the uncommon factors in the LCM of a given numbers. After finding an LCM, we want to see an common factors and uncommon factors. Okay, we want to multiply all those, then the product will get same what they are going to give in our questions. Okay, in this way we want to find. Now here solution 36. Okay, first we will find an for 36. Okay, factors of 36, we want to follow in division method. 2 homers are 36, 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Here 1 remains. Then 2 homers are 16, 2 eights are 16. Then 2 homers are 18, 2 nines are 18. Then again you will not get into table 9. Is it so? You want to take 3 here. 3 threes are 9. Then 3 ones are 3. This completes. Next we will move on to the 60. Then here you take 2. 2 homers are 60. 2 threes. Here 2 threes are 6. Then 0 as it is. Then 2 homers are 30. You will not get 30. Is it? You take single digit number here. Okay, this 2 ones are 2. Here 1 remains. 2 ones are 2. 1 remains. Then it will becomes 10. 2 fives are 10. Then in 2 table you will not get 15. So we want to take a next prime number, that is 3. 3 homers are 15. 3 fives are 15. Next 5 ones are 5. Finish. Next 48. First you take 2 itself. Okay. 2 twos are 4. 2 homers are 8. 2 fours are here. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Then 2 homers are 12. 2 six are 12. Then 2 homers are 6. 2 threes are 6. Then in 2 table you will not get 3. So we will take an 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3. These are the numbers we will find. Now we have to write down that 36 factors, then 60 and 48. What we have found, this itself we want to write here. 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then in 60 what we got here? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then in 48 we got 2 into 2 into 2 into okay 2 into 3. You have to note down after completing division method. You want to note down like this. Then after noting down those all, what we have to do next? Next you have to do that you want to find an common numbers. Okay, you want to find an common numbers here. Then if you find an common numbers, which is the common number now in this all three, that is here first 2. 2 is a common number. Okay, 2 is a common number. Then again here is also 2. 2 is a common number. Then 3. Here 3 is a common number we will find. These are the common numbers we will find. 2, 2, 3. Now what we have to do? First you note down the all common numbers here. Therefore 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now common numbers we have written. Now we have to write uncommon numbers. Okay, now what are the uncommon numbers are remain here? Those all you have to note down here. Okay, what are the uncommon numbers here remain? That is 3 is then 5, then here into 2 into 2. Now you want to multiply here. Okay, what the product you will get here after multiplying this number, that itself an LCM. Okay, that itself an LCM of these three numbers. Now you will find an LCM, that is 720. You can check it. Okay, you can do step by step. Okay, if you are getting confused means you can do step by step. Okay, but I have written here directly. You should not get confused. Okay, you can do step by step by multiplying 2 digit, okay, 3 digit, 4 digit. How much for you it is a okay, that numbers you can take and you can multiply. Okay, so here we got the product 720. Now this is the LCM of 36, 60 and 48. In this type we want to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Here, this is the question I have taken from your exercise 5.2 C main. Second question this is. Okay, this is the second question I have taken. Then remaining here 2 questions are there. So you want to solve those 2 questions by following this method itself. Okay, it is a very easy method, is it? So I hope you all of you are solving this all problems what I have said. Okay, and each and everyone should send me a photocopy. Okay, you are very good students. Okay, each and everyone are sending to me a photocopy. Okay, only few of the students are not sending. They will also send from today onwards. Is it, dear students? Yes, very good. Next, here one more last topic we will discuss in this chapter, HCF and LCM, that is relationship between HCF and LCM. Here we will see some of the relationships. Is it in HCF we will see an highest common factor we are going to find. Then in a LCM we will find an lowest common factor we will find. Okay, this is the difference. Now in our problems they are going to give some of the types. Okay, now how to find the those type of problem, for those type of problem solution. Some of the formulas are mentioned here, so you want to be perfect with that formulas. Now I will read out here. Those formulas are they have given in your textbook page number 146. Okay, you open your page textbook page number 146. Then they have given LCM is equal to, if they are going to ask to find the LCM means you want to write LCM is equal to product of 2 numbers divided by HCF. Okay, then if they are going to ask to find HCF, you want to write product of 2 numbers divided by LCM. Then if they ask other number, how to find, that is HCF into LCM divided by one number is equal to other number. These are the formulas you want to be perfect. Okay, then itself you can be able to solve the problems. Here one example I have taken. Okay, all few problems they have given in your textbook. Okay, you for all problems some of the different formulas are applying to that. So you apply the formula, you can understand the question well. First, before solving the problem, you have to understand the question well. Then itself you can decide that which formula we have to apply for that problem. Okay. Here I have taken this question from your sum it up. Okay, sum it up. C main second question. The product of two numbers. The product of two number is 16,200. Then LCM they have given. If the LCM is 270, is it so? I have written LCM is equal to 270. LCM is equal to 270. Then find the HCF. They have given find the HCF. Now to find the HCF, what the formula we have to apply? See here I have written that is HCF is equal to the product of two numbers divided by LCM. Okay, that product of two numbers what they have given here, that is 16,200. Okay, this you have to write down. Then here LCM what they have given 270. 270. Now you want to simplify. You cancel this 0 0 here. Then 27 how much the 162. That you want to see. 27 3 27 6 you will get. 27 6 162 you will get. Then you here is a 0, so you keep 0 as it is. Okay, 27 6 162. Then here is a 10 is it, so you write down that 0 as it is. Now HCF is equal to 60. In this way you want to find the solution for a given problem. Here few word problems are given in your exercise also. 5.2 D main, and so in sum it up also they have given. So in sum it up also what the problems we are discussing in exercise, same problems they are going to be give, but they are going to change some numbers, that's it. Okay, but steps you want to follow same. So these are the few problems regarding to this. I hope you all of you understand this relationship between HCF and LCM. Okay, here nothing they have given, that you want to be know the formulas well, that's it. Okay, if you know formula well, you can solve all type of problems. Next, dear students, here this is all about chapter 5th HCF and LCM. Dear students, I hope I am very clear with my topic by solving the all types of problem and by explaining all types of topics what they have mentioned in your textbook. Okay, I hope each and everyone have watched the video completely. Okay, one who are not understanding, you repeat the video, then itself you can understand and you can solve all types of problems. Okay, first you have to be thorough with the tables. Okay, you have to be perfect with the tables 2 to 20, then itself you feel easy to solve all types of problems, or else you feel difficulty. Okay, this you have to be keeping in your mind. First you have to be perfect with the tables. Dear students, I will send notes to you. Okay, part wise notes I am going to send. So I hope you have completed already part first notes. Then part 2 notes also I will send. Okay, everyone should write neatly. Okay, if word problems, what the word problems they are going to give in your textbook, only answers I am going to send for you. Okay, questions you want to copy from your textbook. Okay, some of you have written for first lesson and second lesson, only answers how I have sent to you, same way you have written, but you should not do like that. Questions you want to copy from your textbook for word problem I am telling. Okay, for word problem copy that question from your textbook, only answers I am going to send you. Okay, this is about this chapter HCF and LCM. Here totally in the HCF and LCM, first we have discussed about the HCF. In this HCF we have discussed on 3 types of method, that is inspection method and finding and factors and common factors. Okay, those 3, and here also in LCM same 3 types of methods we have followed, and one more relationship between HCF and LCM. Okay, these all the topics we have discussed under the 5th chapter HCF and LCM. Okay, thank you.